In this video, we will see what is unpacking of tuple and what is unpacking. So unpacking is like distributing values to variable. So like this, a comma b comma c is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. So it will unpack 1 comma 2 comma 3 to a b c. So what will be the A? A will be A will be 1, B will be 2, C will be 3. So let's see what is A. A is 1. Let's say C is 3. So is tuple only support unpacking? No. List also support unpacking. Like A here Q comma W comma E is equal to 4 comma 5 comma 6. So it is list. So it also support unpacking. Q is 4, W is 5. So unpacking, so in many cases we use tuple for unpacking, not list, because it it is packing solidly, because it is not changeable, its size is not changeable. So we in programming we use tuple in many cases, means in most of the cases we use tuple for unpacking, not list. So this was for this video. In next video we will see some operations on tuples. So we will meet you in next one.